Noswaith bawb. Good evening, everyone. Pennod arall. Another episode. Beth ydyn ni'n mynd I wneud? What are we going to do? Disgwyl I Wrecsam ymgeisio ar gyfer Dinas Diwylliant 2029. Wrecsam expected to apply for City of Culture 2029. Cyfres pedwar a Pennod, gant a phedwar ar bymtheg. Series 4 and episode 19. Ar y cwrs, on the course. Da has become dda. Soft mutation, D to a double D. Adjective after a singular feminine noun. Pawb has become bawb. Vocative use where a noun plural or a pronoun is used to address people. P to a B. Soft mutation. Wneud. Okay. What are we going to do to it? That's what kind of that means. Wneud. That's what happens when you say this. Wneud. I''W. Wneud. W-N-E-U-D. It's just grenade with soft mutation. The G drops, and that's because it's after a contracted version of the possessive pronoun EI, which means it or his, and it's or his, and it's caused the soft mutation. What else have we got? Pennod has become phennod after a. And pedwar has become phedwar after a as well. Both aspect mutation, P to a PH after the word a. And gant, so again, the number 2, di, masculine, and dwy, feminine, causes soft mutation, C to a G, cant to gant. And then we've got ar bymtheg. So bymtheg, 15 has become bymtheg, P to a B, soft mutation after the key preposition ar. And the key prepositions are amarat, tandros drwy, gan heb hyd, and I o wrth. There you go. Today's episode are a course. I've been on the course today. Not the golf course. No, the Welsh course. Yeah. It's really good. Enjoying it. And I'm passing on some of the stuff. So every week or so you might get a bit of the same material that I've learned some of it that I've learned at college. So it's interested in it. Yeah. So I'm saying is ar y cwrs heddiw fe wnaethon ni astudio gyfandiroedd a chefnforoedd. Ar y cwrs heddiw fe wnaethon ni astudio cyfandiroedd a chefnforoedd. That is on the course today. We studied continents and oceans. So we'll go with them. Europe. That's Europe.
Asia.
Thank you. Asia. Asia. It's about the same. Africa. It's spelled with 2 F's. Is Africa. Gogledd America is North America. De America is South America. Australasia. Yeah, is Australasia. Antarctica. What that first one was doing. So Antarctica. And then, there's 7 of the continents there. There's other names for, is it Oceania? I don't know how you say it. Ocean. And then Oceania. I think Australasia is part of that. but not sure. Anyway, that's what ones we did today, and I've passed them on. So, Cyfnfor towel, Pacific Ocean, Cyfnfor Iwerydd, Atlantic Ocean, Cyfnfor Arctic Ocean, Cyfnfor India.
Cyfnfor India. Cyfnfor India.
Yes. Indian Ocean, Cyfnfor De, Cyfnfor De, Antarctic Ocean. Right. Moving on. We're going to have a quick run through.
Iawn.
Iawn, yeah.
Iawn.
Thank you. Some of the sentences that we've already done. Start from a little bit in. Rwy'n dweud wrth y rhan fwyaf o bobl. Nawr, cyn gynted ag y byddaf yn cwrdd â nhw. I tell most people now as soon as I meet them. Rwy'n mwynhau'r sgwrsiau a'r gwasanaethau yn y Gymraeg yn y capel. I am enjoying the conversations and services in Welsh at chapel. Rydw I wedi dylunio tudalen heddiw lle mae'r holl gemau'n defnyddio'r geiriau rydych chi'n ei dewis. I've designed a page today where all the games use the words you choose. Dim ond cwpl o dudalenau ydw I o orffen fy llyfr cynta yn y Gymraeg nad yw ar gyfer dysgwyr. I am only a couple of pages from finishing my first book in Welsh that is not for learners. Gai ofyn I bawb sy'n darllen hwn rannu dolen i'w gwefan. Can I ask everyone reading this to share a link to my website? Right, jumping on to the next new sentences. Roeddwn I ychydig yn hwyr y bore yma. I was a little late this morning. Roedd rhaid I mi rhedeg allan o'r tŷ I ddal bws. I had to run out of the house to catch a bus. Pan gyreithas y coleg, doedd gen I ddim cerdyn I fynd I mewn. When I arrived at college, I didn't have a card to enter. Dechreuais banicio, ond tywalais fy hun, a gofynnais am help. I started to panic, but calmed myself and asked for help. Mae'r cwrs yn wych, y deunydd, y tiwtor, a'r rhyngweithio ag eraill. The course is brilliant. The material, the tutor, and the interaction with others. Rwy'n gadael I un peth arwain at un arall yn naturiol. I am letting one thing lead to another naturally. Mae dysgu Cymraeg wedi gwneud cymaint I mi hyd yn hyn. Learning Welsh has done so much for me so far. Bydd yn rhaid I mi ddysgu peidio a rhannu gormod o wybodaeth. Mae'n ddrwg gen I staff llyfrgell Wrecsam. I will have to learn not to share too much information. Sorry, staff at Wrecsam Library. Yeah. Oversharing. Gotta go, bye!